Good morning, students. We are reading lesson number 6 of Opact with the Sun book. The name of the lesson is The Monkey and the Crocodile. This is a story of two friends, the monkey and the crocodile. We have studied that there was a monkey lived on a fruit tree on the bank of a river. The monkey was happy but lonely. One day a crocodile appeared on the riverside. The monkey offered him to eat some fruits. The crocodile found them very delicious. The crocodile said, "May I have some on my next visit?" The monkey said, "Yes, do come again. I'm rather lonely here." The crocodile visited the monkey regularly and ate the fruits which his host threw down. He took some home for his wife. They were now the best of friends. One day the crocodile stayed with the monkey longer than usual, and his wife was annoyed with him. The crocodile's wife told him that she wants to eat monkey's heart. Now I am going to start the reading of the lesson from page number 21, 7th passage. "What a foolish thing to say!" shouted the crocodile. "I can't kill a friend, though I won't mind a monkey occasionally for a change of taste." Now I am going to translate this passage and tell you the meaning of difficult words. What a foolish. The meaning of the word foolish is silly, मूर्खता, पूर्ण या मूर्ख. Thing to say, shouted. The meaning of the word shouted is cried, चिल्लाना. The crocodile, मगरमच्छ चिल्लाया या मगरमच्छ ने चिल्लाते हुए कहा. What a foolish thing to say. क्या मूर्खतापूर्ण बात कही. I can't kill a friend. मैं एक दोस्त को नहीं मार सकता. Though I won't mind a monkey occasionally. The meaning of the word occasionally is rarely, कभी कभी. For a change of taste. हालांकि मैं स्वाद को बदलने के लिए एक बंदर को मारने में बुरा नहीं मानूंगा. इसका अर्थ यह है कि मैं अपने मुंह का स्वाद बदलने के लिए एक बंदर को मार सकता हूँ, लेकिन अपने दोस्त को नहीं मार सकता हूँ. You bring him here, ordered the wife. I want to see him. You bring. The meaning of the word bring is to fetch, लाना. Him here, ordered the wife. I want to see him. उसकी पत्नी ने उसको आदेश दिया या मगरमच्छ को आदेश दिया कि तुम उसे यहाँ ले आओ. I want to see him. मैं उसे देखना चाहती हूँ. So you can eat him never, declared her husband. The meaning of the word declared is announced, घोषणा करना. Her husband, उसके पति ने घोषणा की या उसके पति ने कहा. So you can eat him, ताकि तुम उसे खा सको. Now I am going to start the reading of the lesson from next page. Page number 22. His wife was furious and she dived in to hide herself at the bottom of the river, leaving the little ones to pester their father. Now I am going to translate these sentences and tell you the meaning of difficult words. His wife was furious. The meaning of the word furious is violent, क्रोधित होना या गुस्सा होना. And she dived. The meaning of the word dived is to plunge, गोता लगाना. In to hide herself at the bottom. The meaning of the word bottom is base, आधार या तल of the river, leaving the little ones to pester. The meaning of the word pester is to annoy, परेशान करना या सताना. Their father. His wife was furious. उसकी पत्नी गुस्सा हो गई या गुस्से में थी. And she dived in to hide herself at the bottom of the river. And she dived. और उसने नदी के तल में खुद को छिपाने के लिए गोता लगाया. Leaving the little ones to pester their father. और अपने छोटे छोटे बच्चों को पिता को परेशान या सताने के लिए उसके मगरमच्छ के पास छोड़ गई। That's all for today, and your homework will be sent to you by WhatsApp. Thank you.